am Salina Bhujala and I am presenting my Ips project for my Mat 120. So the task was given to us. The task was using using the statistics and its elements. I would say the using the statistic in our daily life and improve that daily routine. So I choose the topic screen time versus sleep hours. You can see it in my screens. So this is how I made my slides. So I choose to study the relationship between screen time and sleep because screen usage is a major part of my daily routine, and I wanted to understand whether it affects my sleeping habits. I hope to learn if increased screen time was connected to reduce sleep and how statistics could help me make healthier lifestyle decisions. I also learned in my previous biology classes that I have like background of health and biology, and I have learned that in those course I have learned that sleep like screen time affects our sleep quality and duration, uh, which made this topic more interesting and relevant to me. This is how I recorded my 14 days sleep hours and the screen time, and I calculated the mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviation for it. For the screen time, my average screen time for those 14 days was 6.4 hours. That's the huge, I know. And the my sleep hours is 8.89 in average for that 14 days. So I get the good sleep at least. So this is how I plotted my box plot for the screen time, and this is the histogram of my daily screen time, uh, and uh, this is how I get how I calculated my r square value and the equation. um, so my r value, I got the r value of minus 0.51355573, and my interpretation out of it is that the scatter plot showed a moderate negative correlation between screen time and sleep duration. You can see here. The correlation coefficient was approximately minus 514 minus 0.514, meaning that the higher screen time was generally associated with fewer hours of sleep. The regression equation, y is equal to minus 0.2878x plus 10.733, indicated that for every additional hour of screen time, sleep decreased by about 0.29 hours, which basically means 17 or 18 minutes. So the r square value of 0.2637, so that approximately 26% of the variation in sleep could be explained by screen time. The probability question, I get, or I thought out of this, like, what is the probability that my screen time exceeded 8 hours? So it's 3 by 14, and the probability that I slept less than 6 hours, 80. So, I think that's good. And the probability that my screen time exceeded 8 hours and I slept less than 6 hours on the same day is 0. So at least I did not like waste my time 8 hours in the screen. um, During my project, I noticed a moderate negative relationship between screen time and sleep duration. In general, on days when my screen time increased, my amount of sleep slightly decreased. The scatter plot, regression equation, and the correlation coefficient supported this trend. My correlation coefficient of approximately minus 0.514, so that there was a moderate inverse relationship between the two variables. I noticed that my screen time exceeded 8 hours on many days, which demonstrated how much time I regularly spend on electronic devices. Now, some of the results are surprising and useful. Even though my screen time was often high, I'm I still managed to sleep at least 6 hours every day. This showed me that screen time affects my sleep to some extent, but it is not only factor influencing my sleep schedule. Based on my findings, I plan to reduce screen time uses before bedtime and create healthier nighttime habits such as avoiding my phone late at night. This project helped me understand how stat oh this I'm sorry. This project helped me understand how statistics can be used to analyze everyday behavior and make better decisions using real data instead of assumptions. It's like I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at technology. Statistical thinking can help solve real world problems by identifying patterns, predicting outcomes, and helping people improve their habit and lifestyles. So, I think that screen, I like, I found that screen time do affect my sleep things, but somehow on that day, like on those days, I was in the prescription, so maybe the medicine also like affect my sleep hours. So that's my presentation. Thank you.